Like most people who are doing a 9 to 5 job, most of our days start with checking important emails and sipping a cup of freshly brewed coffee. No matter what we do, like filtering out the important messages in our inbox or looking for the important emails, getting everything in order is a difficult and time-consuming task. Hi, my name is Debargo and today I am going to share with you a few Gmail tips and tricks that will enhance your email productivity and also enable you to save a lot of your time. Number 1. Searching your Gmail inbox. To help you save time and maximize efficiency, you can opt for Gmail search options. If you do not know about these features, Gmail has got about 20 search operators to help you create filters or find a specific email. Now this includes a few basic steps. Number 1. Locate the specific email from a specific sender by searching the From option. Number 2. The same step can be repeated by searching the toolbar when you have sent an email. And number 3. You can also find an email by inserting the specific date by typing after, which is usually followed by your chosen date. Number 2. Turn on the conversation view. If you want to keep all your emails in a specific conversation thread, you can turn on the conversation view in your Gmail inbox. To opt for this method, click on Settings followed by Conversation View and click on the Conversation View icon. Number 3. Multiple Gmail accounts. Now, if your work involves working on Gmail, it's better that you segregate your different accounts. This will allow you to keep your personal and professional aspects separated. To switch your Gmail account, click on your Gmail profile icon followed by Add Account. Now you can shuffle between your different Gmail accounts. On the other hand, you can also create a specific Chrome browser to keep your things streamlined. Number 4. Create a template. Most of the time, it is seen that we have to send the same email to our clientele. In these cases, typing the same email makes the task a bit hectic and time-consuming. Therefore, save yourself time and effort by creating Gmail templates. To create templates, click on Settings followed by See All Settings and then Advanced. Finally, you need to choose the template option. Once all is done, click on the Enable button and there you go. Templates are ready for you to use. Number 5. Undoing a sent email. At times, after you send an email, you might discover that the email either has been sent to the wrong person or it does not contain all the valuable information. Now, in these scenarios, what is the next best option other than deleting the email that has already been sent? But do you know that you have got another option without deleting the email? To access this option, you need to click on the Settings button followed by the General tab button where you will get the Enable Undo Send option. After this, you need to toggle over that option and you will receive a time frame of over 30 seconds where you will be able to click Undo Send and there you go. Number 6. Creating and managing labels. If you are highly organized, you would know that Gmail uses a lot of labels instead of folders to mark your emails. If you want to mark your specific email, you can use multiple labels at a single point of time. Now, to label a specific email, you have to follow these steps. Open the email and click on the label icon. Choose an existing label or create a new one under your name. Number 2. To create a new label, click on Settings followed by See All Settings and then click on the label icon. Last but not least, you will get a few options where you can either hide or remove or add labels according to your preference. The only thing that you need to remember is that once you decide to remove a label, it will have no impact on your emails. Number 7. check the connected apps. To save time, you can check the apps that are currently connected to your existing Gmail service. To check this, first you have to go to your Google account and then click on Security. Below that, you will get the third-party apps that have access to your Gmail account. From here, you can manage the apps that you want to keep and get rid of the ones that you don't need anymore. Number 8. Schedule emails for later. When you schedule an email to be sent in the future, you not only save yourself a lot of time, but also you stay ahead in your schedule. Compose your email and then click on the drop-down bar. Before clicking the send button, you can schedule the exact date and the time to be specific. Number 9. Be confidential. The confidential mode in your Gmail gives you the option to monitor who is looking at the valuable information present in your email. This is true for both the times while you are sending an email or the time the message is available in your inbox. You can turn it on by clicking the confidential mode or the lock/clock icon. This brings us to the end of the video. If you find this video to be helpful and informative, please like the video, comment and share it with others. If you want to stay updated with more videos like this, please subscribe to MyTasker's YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. Until then, stay tuned and take care.